Hi friends, this is Deep Basu and welcome to my channel Think Deep. I'm back and I'm going to review a very special film I watched called Picasso. It's a Marathi film. I'm not sure how many of you know this. This movie had released last year and it finally made its way to Amazon Prime, and this movie has won a national award, the 67 national award. This movie has got a special mention award, especially for the director Avijit Warang, and I think this is his first film, and it's an amazing, a very well-made movie. The entire duration is only 1 hour 13 minutes. So finally, I was in two minds when I saw the movie. I heard about the film on Amazon Prime. I usually feel that sometimes these movies can be tad boring, slow. But frankly speaking, being a movie buff, you need to watch, at least develop a habit of watching all kinds of films. So once I got to hear about this film, the story, the outline, I wanted to watch it, and I really wanted to see how the director has executed, the actors have performed, because it's not easy to make a film like Picasso. It's not your regular pot boil or a commercial film. So Picasso, basically, if I have to talk about the story, I will not give out spoilers, and since it's a 1 hour 13 minute film, my review is also going to be very short for a change. So Picasso, basically, the movie revolves around this folklore. I don't know how many of you know this. In South Konkan region of Maharashtra, even in the parts of Goa, uh, in these small towns, Konkan town, there they have this folklore. They perform this folklore called Dashavatra, Dashavatra or Dashavatram, and people even now they watch it. Like for example, in Bengali, in Calcutta, in Bengal, people watch Jatra. Like people travel, they watch Jatra. It's like a play, and they perform such very famous folklores of various they bring about various meaningful performances, and people watch, and every play has a deep meaning behind it. So coming back to the film, so even this entire film revolves around this folklore, this play which is called Dashavatra, and even now in the South Konkan region, people do watch it, and people do perform. These artisans, these actors, these performers. I didn't know anything about this. So after watching the film, it was an eye opener for me that even in Konkan region, people, there are so many takers, there's so many people who perform, and they do it so honestly. Basically, these actors, I really have a lot of respect for such actors who perform in the Jatra, in Dashavatra. How these actors means, forget the money, there's no payment, nothing, but they do it so honestly. They do it with so much passion, and that really shows they're so true to their roots, they're so honest to their roots. Because after I watched it, because this entire film is around 1 hour 13 minutes, and the second half of the film is entire play. Like an audience, you're going to watch the play in a movie, just like an audience sitting and watching the play live. And this entire play has a deep meaning, so I will really advise you guys, don't change or don't get bored. This play, which will be entire second half, is the play. Entire Dashavatra is shown before you. It has a deep meaning. So coming back to the story, I won't divert much. The basic storyline is basically the movie begins introducing us to one of the main protagonists called Pandurang, played brilliantly by Prasad Oak. He's a brilliant actor. So he's a very talented artisan. He's a sculptor, he's a painter, and also a performer. He's one of the lead actors of this Dashavatra. And he's a very skillful sculptor. So people often come and show him the idol and tell him to please create or design an exact Ganpati idol. And he's so good at his work. But problem is that in exchange he gets really, really low payment. But he's a very talented guy and he's very honest with his work. So Pandurang now, he works very hard as a sculptor, as an actor, as a performer, as an artisan, in exchange of very less money. Pandurang's wife is not well, she is not keeping well. Pandurang has a son, played by Samay Tambe. His name is Gandharva in the movie. He's a very talented boy, just like his father. He's skillful, he's a great artist. So Gandharva finally manages that the college offers him scholarship to Barcelona Picasso College of Arts, Barcelona, for the Nationals Championships. He's so good. He's the best in his entire school. So he doesn't get the scholarship. He's offered the scholarship, and there are around 2 rounds or something. The second round he needs to pay rupees 1500. Now that's the obstacle. Now Gandharva knows that his father works very hard day and night and gets very less money. Even his mother is a housewife and she doesn't earn, she has no money. Now what will Gandharv do? He's talented and he doesn't want to lose out on this opportunity of going to getting us 1 year scholarship in Barcelona, and his life can change. And he's a very talented kid. So now what Gandharva does, he goes to his mother. His mother looks into everything, but she gives up hope. She's also suffering from some problem, health problem. So Gandharva now runs all the way with his medal to the next village and shows his father Panduram and informs him about his accomplishment. His father also is very happy and congratulates him, but when he gets to hear that 1500 rupees he requires to attain this scholarship, he's sad once again. Now what really happens? Will Gandharva finally get that 1500 rupees? Will he be able to crack the scholarship, the offer? You need to watch to find out. So this is the this is the story. Now this entire film has a lot of depth. There's not much shouting, screaming, melodrama. Everything is through eyes. If you see the actors, the performers, everything is emoted through eyes. Dialogues also very less, and the way the actors are performed is so natural. Means I'm sure if you are from the Konkan region, you would relate it even in a better manner compared to me. But as an audience, I was blown by the performances. It seemed that it's happening right in front of you. The acting, the performance, even the play. The second half is the entire play. Entire Dashavatra performance is the second half. So when I'm watching them, I feel I'm watching it like an audience. It's so real. I mean, the camera is also, is very well placed in various degrees. So it's like you are watching it from various angles. So I love the way Abhijit Warang has directed the film. And I really happy and I really congratulate Mr. Shilatya Bora to back this film. Platoon 1 film has produced the film and Amazon Prime has bought it. So I really congratulate Mr. Shilatya Bora for backing such a wonderful film. And the movie, you need to watch it twice to get those intrinsic details, the depth, because the play which is shown to you also has a deep meaning which is related to the characters. So, though it was around 1 hour 14 minutes duration, you seem to really get involved with the entire story. So overall, Picasso is something you need to watch. If you're a film buff, though, you shouldn't miss Picasso. And there are many people talking about it, but so sometimes give a break to the commercial films and thrillers and horrors and romantic films. Do watch a film like Picasso. It's on Amazon Prime. Do watch it, support it, spread the word. And anything I'm forgetting, it's definitely, and one thing I like that, the meaning which I could decipher is that art is art. There's no, every form of art is important. And art can drive an emotion, or how an art drives an emotion. So every form of art, artists, artisans are important. There's nothing called, this art, this kind of format of art should be respected. Everything should be, given respect. Because I like the character, Pandurang's character. He was so talented. My God, why didn't I have such talent? He was a painter, artisan, sculptor, actor. They are such people who can create a painting through natural colors. हम लोग तो भाई पोस्टर पेंटिंग से हम लोग काम चलाते हैं, but they are such talented painters, sculptors who can create a painting with natural colors. Can you imagine? So every format, every art format, every form of art is very important, and they should exist and people should support them. Though these people do not get so much money, but I feel you should go watch, patronize. So well, this is my review for Picasso. I hope I have finished it. within 10 minutes. Otherwise, all my reviews are very long. So, guys, please sign up. Please subscribe to my channel, Think Deep, on YouTube for more updates, or follow my Instagram channel, Think Deep, or the Peanut Butter Boy. I'll be back once again.